Justin Baldoni takes legal feud with Blake Lively public, launches website with extensive evidence. Justin Baldoni has taken his legal battle with Blake Lively to a new level by launching a website, thelawsuitinfo.com, aimed at presenting his side of the dispute with an extensive trove of legal documents and supporting materials. On February 1st, Baldoni, the director of It Ends With Us, made the website publicly accessible, offering a deep dive into his claims against Lively. The site features a collection of legal documents, including a 224-page amended complaint filed in court on January 31st, along with a 168-page timeline tracing the origins of the conflict. According to TMZ, these documents detail Baldoni's allegations against Lively, outlining the history of his work with It Ends With Us and his production company, Wayfarer Studios. The timeline, which dates back to January 2019, documents Baldoni's initial contact with author Colleen Hoover, the creator of the best-selling novel, as he sought to adapt it into a film. The website and its implications. Visitors to thelawsuitinfo.com can freely access and download the amended complaint and timeline PDFs, which provide an in-depth breakdown of Baldoni's perspective on the situation. This move follows escalating tensions between the two Hollywood figures, as their legal teams have been engaged in a contentious dispute over the film project. Baldoni's attorney, Brian Friedman, issued a statement to the Daily Mail, confirming that the lawsuit was revised in light of new evidence that had come to light. The lawsuit was amended due to the overwhelming amount of new proof that has come to light, Friedman stated. This development marks a significant escalation in Baldoni's approach to the case. Instead of limiting the battle to the courtroom, he is now taking it directly to the public, offering transparency into his side of the dispute and potentially influencing public perception. Baldoni's legal team teased the website launch. This strategic move was not entirely unexpected. On January 21st, Friedman hinted at the impending launch of the website, emphasizing Baldoni's right to publicly present his defense. Justin and team have the right to defend themselves with the truth, Friedman told Us Weekly. And this is what we will be continuing to show with the upcoming website containing all correspondence as well as relevant videos that directly quash her claims. With the website now live, it remains to be seen how Lively and her legal team will respond to this new development. A deep dive into the legal documents. The 224-page amended complaint reportedly outlines extensive allegations against Lively, while the 168-page timeline provides a meticulous record of interactions, contract negotiations, and other key events that have shaped the dispute. According to sources close to the case, Baldoni believes these documents will prove his position and counter Lively's assertions regarding the film adaptation of It Ends With Us. What led to the legal battle? At the heart of the conflict is the adaptation of It Ends With Us, a novel by Colleen Hoover that gained immense popularity, becoming a New York Times bestseller. The book's compelling narrative and widespread fanbase made it a highly sought-after project in Hollywood. Baldoni, an actor, director, and producer known for his work on Jane the Virgin, was attached to direct and produce the adaptation through his production company, Wayfarer Studios. Reports indicate that he spent years working on securing the rights to the book and overseeing its transition to film. Blake Lively, a well-known actress with credits including Gossip Girl and A Simple Favor, became involved in the project, leading to creative and contractual disagreements. Industry reactions to the public legal strategy. Baldoni's decision to go public with the legal battle by launching a website is a rare and bold move in Hollywood. Industry insiders note that such an approach can be risky, as legal disputes are typically handled behind closed doors to protect reputations and negotiations. However, some analysts believe this strategy could be highly effective in shaping public opinion, especially if the documents provide compelling evidence that strengthens Baldoni's case. The website's transparency allows fans, industry professionals, and legal experts to independently review the claims and counterclaims, potentially influencing both the court of law and public sentiment. Potential ramifications for the It Ends With Us film. One major concern arising from this legal dispute is the potential impact on the film adaptation of It Ends With Us. With legal tensions escalating between key figures involved in the project, its future remains uncertain. The movie, which was initially met with excitement from fans of the book, could now face significant delays, production hurdles, or even recasting, depending on the outcome of the lawsuit. What comes next? As the legal battle unfolds, all eyes will be on how Blake Lively and her legal team respond to Baldoni's public disclosure strategy. Will Lively issue her own statement? Will her team challenge the validity of the evidence presented on thelawsuitinfo.com? For now, the lawsuit has become a spectacle that is unfolding not just in the courtroom but also in the digital public sphere, with Baldoni taking the fight beyond legal filings and into the hands of the public. With Hollywood increasingly shaped by social media narratives and public perception, this case is likely to set a precedent for how high-profile legal disputes are handled in the future. Stay tuned for further updates as more details emerge.